toothing out for a garage front. This will all be built up and this will become a studio for music. And so we have to tooth like we've shown here. So the brick goes in, the new brick, and it looks the same. These are pretty modern houses so that we can get the matching bricks. As you can see, the front side. And toothing is quite a specialist job. I've got a specialist on it here. Toothed out, and as you can see, we're starting to build. However, there's a problem, and I just want to explain this problem to help you if you're doing this kind of job. The foundation hasn't had to be dug out because the concrete's 12 inches or 600 mil. So what we've got is that the concrete has come up part way to the top of the brick there, and I can't cut a brick down that thick. So while we've had a break, I've laid a mortar bed and allowed it to go off, and so I'm building on it now, and that saves me cutting lots of cuts, and it's working in perfect. There is another problem. Because this is a pillar, when this was built, it's a garage, the bricks are slightly twisted in as they built this corner. So when I put a line down from end to end, the end bricks are kicking in on that side there. So I've got to somehow tease it and work it in. Toothed in, as we showed you earlier by the experts have cut in for us. So now we're building into the joint, and we have to do that now. I've got my string line up. So I'm just going to put one in first like this, just to show you. I want a bit on the top. To make sure all the back is cleaned out, else your brick will push out forward. So I'm pretty much in line with that other, and that's how you start your brickwork off. Okay, so I'll build to that now from the other end and come in. I'll go down here. The reason I put it in down there is because you can't get it in when you're close up, it's easier like this. The labourers filming.